Come, let's make some Guyanese chow-mein my way. So I have my celery, sweet pepper, both the sweet pepper, onion, and carrots. I have paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some jerk seasoning to season my chicken. Also have chow-mein seasoning, my champion chow-mein, my Japanese seasoning, my virgin olive oil. I also have some black pepper and some Chinese sauce. Come with me, let's make my chow-mein. So in the pot, I add 1 pound of chow-mein, and I add a quarter box of macaroni because I love to eat macaroni and chow-mein. And I'm gonna let this boil for like 6 to 7 minutes. So I finished seasoning up my chicken, and I'm gonna wait for it to marinate for an hour. Then we're gonna start cooking the chicken for the chow mein. This is how it's looking, and it's smelling really good too. So guys, I'm getting my chicken boiled. I'm gonna let it cook for a few, like 10 minutes more.